Are you getting an error while trying to follow people on TikTok on your iPhone? There are a few reasons why this might happen, like network issues or app glitches. But don't worry, in this video, I'll guide you on how to solve that issue and start following accounts again. So, let's get started. Before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try turning airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear TikTok cache. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then, tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. Solution 2. Offload the TikTok app. Open up Settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. If you don't find the TikTok app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload. Again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter your passcode on your iPhone if needed. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And that's how you can solve the TikTok follow the issue on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you all next time.